Well, what do we have here? So, the truck on top is my truck. I got it about a month ago. Kids were super excited, saying they wanted a truck just like that. So we figured, hey, Easter's coming, and now they're here. So it's an Easter surprise, and let's see their reaction.
Which color did you want?
I rather red, but if you want red, I guess.
Which one do you
You guys, they're both red.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay, go to the other side of the table.
That's Defenders on top. We'll move that.
Okay, hold on. Listen. Don't be unboxing them yet.
Okay.
We got to put one on an unboxing video. So do you guys both want to open them now?
I think we should do both
Or
ours on unboxing.
can Dylan do an unboxing with his? Or does Jordan want me to use hers for an unboxing video? Or do you guys just both want to rip into them?
I think we should do it on video and just rip right into them, both of us at the same time.
But don't you think an unboxing is a good idea?
Yeah, but like, we both like do them unboxing. But like at the same time.
You guys don't really want those, right?
Yeah, we do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you open one now, and Dylan save yours for an unboxing video. You can do it right away. It doesn't have. We're not gonna wait.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay,
So just both of you guys tear into Jordan's, or you watch Jordan tear into hers, and then we'll actually do an unboxing video for yours.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not really gonna explain anything in my unboxing video. I'm just gonna talk about how happy I am.
Well, we'll do a little bit of an explanation. Maybe we'll set up the big camera, and I can help you.
I kind of want to get right into it.
Okay, just rip into it.
Okay.
How about we move my truck before you knock it on the floor?
Yeah. You want to take it since you are on that side already? I'm guessing this is our Easter present.
This is your Easter present.
Hoppity Easter.
From-
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome. Dylan, why don't you show your sister that there's a little alpha knife over there to cut the little tags. Oh, thanks for the hug, bud.
Where's the alpha knife?
Okay, Jordan, the best way to open an RC box is to actually lay it down and slide it stuff out. Get rid of your plastic. You just throw it on the floor for now, just so it's out of your way. Tell me what you think about the packaging and how it looks and stuff.
It's plastic.
Yes, I know. Just teasing you. So what do you got there? A controller. Why don't you move the RC stand out of your way, There you go. It's an exciting day in the Let's Play RC workshop. Whoop, whoop.
Oh.
How does it smell? New trucks always smell so awesome.
Smells like styrofoam too. plastic and garbage.
But it's got that nice, cool, new smell. Why don't you lay your box the other way so you drag it out on its wheels instead of its side?
Okay.
Right? That way you're not dragging the side of the truck along. Look at that. 2 brand new, ready to run TRAXXAS TRX-4 Defenders. Now, don't confuse them. Dad's going to put a couple stickers on the inside so we can tell the difference for now. It's going to be a lot of red trucks, but I know that down the road, somebody's going to want a teal body.
I'm going green.
Put the flowers in purple.
Whoa. Now you're getting carried away.
I want all my trucks like
Nothing else
that.
left in
Oh.
there.
All my trucks gotta look the same.
So pretty. Let's get close in here. Pretty. Lift your body off first, buddy. Lift your body right off, buddy. Take the body right off. Now you got everything tangled in there. You think it's the first truck you ever opened or something? There you, oh, you got it hooked on the bumper. There you go.
I haven't opened a new truck for a while.
Beauty.
Since like 2 Christmases ago.
Nice little cellophane sticker on the grill and headlights to protect them from scratches. For the packaging, we'll remove that, hey? There we go. Let's take a look at the inside of the brand new, ready to run TRAXXAS TRX-4. Nice. Alright, put the body on.
Let me get this tag with you.
No, you can leave the tag for now. Okay. So, I guess that's an unboxing video. Not your standard unboxing video. Not a lot of information, but a little excitement and real life unboxing. Maybe later we'll actually show the box off and what's on it for detail and whatnot. So, happy?
Yeah.
What do you guys think we should do now?
Take them out
What?
and do a run video on
Right
it.
now? It's like minus 20.
No, it's warmed up.
Has it warmed up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just playing outside in a sweater.
Oh.
And this one right here.
Okay.
And some stretchy mitts.
Okay. Is Mom standing over here?
Yep.
What do you say? Thanks, Mom.
I already gave Mommy a hug and kiss, and I gave you a hug.
I know. Good job. All right. Okay, say goodbye to the folks in YouTube land.
Bye.